Great. This that two-step with your Glock. Hit the street, stick up the block, pop them birds and watch them flock. I got that work around the clock. I walk that walk west side of town. If you can't swim, then you gon' drown. I'm allergic to engagement rings, and I fuck around with them wedding gowns. Cause it's mine, I spend it, and I'm riding around, I'm getting it. I got 2 chains and 2 rings. She get on the road, so that's good brain. And I hit the scene, they snapshots. My time is money, that's G-Shock. Fuck your feelings, fuck the cops. Bitch, smell like Dolce and Gabbana. My bed is her suit casa. If I don't see her this evening, I get up with her mañana. She my Puerto Rican bride, que combate el drama. Packing girls hotter than the sauna. I call her bitch, you call her your dada. Slaughterhouse, slaughterhouse. Welcome to my slaughterhouse. These hoes out here don't meet my bed. They fucking on that slaughter couch. With my boys in the 4 passenger. Wake the fuck up, it's a grayscale massacre.
You could dump shots on the front line for our country, volunteer all the time. Good Samaritan, live, sleep, breathe war, but in life still be a motherfucking sleazeball. Cheapskate, can't afford a cheap date. Drink alcohol and after let the weed chase. Drunk drives, cops pursuit, flee, escape. Think he large, addicted to crimes and catching cases. Not Bruce Wayne, no Jeeves, no Capits. John Jacob, Jingleheimer, what it takes is revenge motive in an unstable stasis, or a blunt of cushion, a good beat for me to rape this. So I'm the ripper, serial killer, hip-hop rapist. Hate white people, love white women, ironic racist. I'm going crazy, bananas, fucking ape shit. Your girl gotta be a freak or intoxicated. Bitch.
Cause we the shit. Shit.
Green.